Hey guys, and welcome to another quick little tutorial video. If you want or need to flash stock firmware onto your LG G6 or similar models, let's see how to do that. This will be an especially important step if you wish to relock your bootloader, as you need to get the phone to its stock software state first before locking it. This will delete all the data from your phone, so back up everything you do not wish to lose. You will need a couple of things. First one is your phone, the second a USB cable, and the third a computer. On your computer, you need to install the necessary LG drivers for the phone, then a piece of software called LGUP, and finally the stock firmware KDZ file. I'll leave some download links in the video description. So let's see how it goes. Here I've got an LG G6, obviously not running stock LG firmware. Now I'll shut it down and put it into download mode. You do that by holding volume up while connecting the phone to the computer using a USB cable. You can let go of the volume up button when you see download mode message on the phone's screen. Moving on your computer open LGUP. Here you select the correct firmware KDZ file for your phone. And make sure to select the upgrade option, then you're ready to click start. The phone will reboot as a part of the process. You can now exit LGUP and disconnect the phone from the computer. And you're now greeted with what should be a familiar sight, LG's UI prompting you to set up the phone for use. So go ahead and do that, as I thank you for watching and invite you to stay subscribed for more stuff like this. And until the next video, goodbye.